Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
Mazda is smart enough not to mess around too much with a winning recipe. Case in point, the 2022 Mi has been officially launched at home in Japan and hasn't changed much, and the little tweaks that have been made are all for the better. The most important novelty is the adoption of what is known as the Kinematic Posture Control for the suspension. KPC brakes the inside wheel to create anti-lift force while cornering at higher speeds to reduce body roll and make the roadster feel more planted. With the engineers being obsessed, in a good way, with keeping the Miata's weight as low as possible, you'll be happy to hear the upgraded suspension does not add a single ounce. KPC is smart enough to figure out the turning conditions in real time based on the speed difference between the left and right wheels at the back. Its impact progressively increases or decreases based on that difference to produce natural posture stabilizing effect. In other words, the MX5 feels exactly the same as before during normal driving, but should you push it harder, it's going to be more stable than its predecessor. The 990S Special Edition previewed at a local event in late October is now official in the land of the rising sun. It starts off in the lightest trim level and gets 16-inch raise forged wheels to shave off around 800 grams, 1.76 pounds, at each corner, meaning a diet of 3.2 kilograms, 7 pounds. Mazda fits the car with Brembo ventilated discs with 4 piston calipers finished in black with blue lettering at the front axle along with black calipers for the rear. As the name suggests, it tips the scales at 990 kilograms, 2,182 pounds, thus making it only 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, heavier than the 1989 MX5 NOV. It's based on the S version with the 6-speed manual transmission, but with further tweaks made to the dampers, coil springs, electric power steering, and the engine. Inside, it gets exclusive floor mats and blue, piano black accents for the air vents. Mazda Japan is asking 2,893,000 yen, about $25,300 at current exchange rates, for the purest version. Elsewhere, the JDM Spec MX5 gets an elegant terracotta selection version for the RF model, priced at 3,798,300 yen, $33,300, while the platinum quartz metallic paint is added to both body styles. In addition, the Roadster now comes with a navy fabric top combining a black leather interior with a dark blue roof for 3,191,100 yen, $28,000. In Japan, Mazda will sell the rear-wheel drive sports car with the 1.5-liter engine for the standard model while the RF gets the 2.0-liter unit. Thanks for watching.